One of Metricon's most loved and best-selling family homes is the single-level Delta from the Freedom by Metricon range. The Delta ranges in size from 21 squares to 29 squares, and today we're looking inside the Delta 29MR with the domain facade on display in Officer in Victoria. With 4 generous bedrooms, including a master with ensuite at the rear of the home, this Delta has been built in partnership with Sustainability Victoria to include Metricon's Energy Saver Plus pack, perfect for those concerned about their power bills and the environment. As soon as you're inside this beautiful home, you're warmly greeted with the first of 2 living areas, which could also be used as a home office or study. Plenty of light streams in from the floor-to-ceiling double-glazed windows, a key contributor to this particular Delta's energy efficiency. The Delta opens into an expansive open-plan kitchen, living and dining area. This well-appointed kitchen is the heart of this space, complete with a butler's pantry, a horizontal window splashback and stone-topped island bench. This open-plan area is perfect for the entertaining family and for parents wanting to keep a watchful eye on young children while they cook. This Delta features a stunning outdoor room which helps to expand the living and dining areas even further and can be used all year round. This Delta features the master at the rear with access straight onto the outdoor room and gardens. Having a master at the rear is perfect for parents who want to be near young children or families that embrace Vastu Shastra. The luxurious parents' retreat includes everything you need with its cleverly tucked away walk-in robe and light-filled ensuite with a double vanity and spacious shower. Each of the additional bedrooms and a bathroom run off a second corridor, separating them from the main living area of the home. With ample space and built-in robes, the bedrooms easily transition from infant and toddler rooms to bedrooms for older children. This Delta features Metricon's Energy Saver Plus pack, which may not be immediately obvious to the eye, but you can definitely feel the difference. Of course, the Delta 29MR can also be purchased with Metricon's standard inclusions, but it's fantastic to know that you can build a zero-net carbon Metricon home, saving on energy bills whilst supporting the environment. If you're looking for the perfect home to suit your growing family's needs, then ask us about the Delta 29MR by calling 1300 786 773 or visit metricon.com.au for more information.